Hi, I'm Susanne Rikus. I'd like to show you something about my work. What is my most passion I want to provide and give? In one way, it is art. So I'm an artist. And what I'm doing, I love to share, empower people that they bring out the most potential of their human being in a way of their qualifications, of their inspiration, of their dreams, go forward for something. And what I really love to do is unblocking the potential, letting go of old limited beliefs in somebody's system stored. And we are, my husband and me, Arndt Himmelreich, what we do is we help you to let go of when you have trauma, or let go of your beliefs that are limiting yourself. So what we do is about different techniques in coming from Hawaii, coming from Huna, but also coming from the knowledge of the energetic body and our connection of body, mind and spirit. And I really love to share with you that wisdom. And what really great goal I really have too is to show you more and to give you the tools as an Alohana coach, for example, that you get tools for being an energetic, an energy coach or Hawaiian healer. And so just check out our website and you can see much more. All the best.